Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus ZelCore Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll be diving into a comparison between Phantom Wallet and ZelCore Wallet, highlighting their features, security, and which users each one is best suited for. Phantom Wallet is a non-custodial software wallet designed primarily for the Solana ecosystem. It offers seamless integration with decentralized applications, DApps, and decentralized exchanges, DX, built on Solana, making it a favorite among Solana users. The wallet is available as a browser extension and mobile app, offering a simple and intuitive interface that's easy for beginners. Key features include staking for Solana, SOL, directly within the wallet, full control over private keys, and support for Solana-based tokens and NFTs. However, Phantom's focus is primarily on the Solana blockchain, meaning if you need multi-chain support, Phantom may not meet all your needs. ZelCore Wallet, on the other hand, is a more versatile multi-currency wallet, supporting a wide range of blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. It's designed with both novice and experienced users in mind, offering a robust suite of features, including a built-in exchange, portfolio tracker, and support for decentralized finance, DeFi services. ZelCore also prioritizes security, with hardware wallet integration options, including support for Trezor and Ledger devices, which allows users to store their private keys offline. This makes it a great choice for those looking for advanced security and multi-chain support. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet is ideal if you're specifically focused on Solana and want a simple, user-friendly wallet with DeFi integration. However, if you're looking for a multi-currency wallet with advanced security features, cross-chain support, and built-in tools like exchange functionality, ZelCore Wallet offers more flexibility. For detailed information, check out the links to both wallets in the description below.